Hi everyone, I hope you're all really good. Because you was absolutely fabulous with your opinions on the Sunseeker Spirit, I would now like your opinions on this Swift Moselle. So it's nice and open plan. You've got your freestanding sofa and chair, TV unit, and a huge dining area. A perfect area to socialise with friends and family. You do have your integrated fridge freezer, and it's illegal to wash any pots in this holiday home, so you've got your dishwasher. So I'd just like your opinions. What do you think of it from the video, guys? This one's currently priced at $59,995, and we do have a special offer on it for this week only. If you would like to know what that is, I will leave my number at the bottom of the page. If you'd like to give me a call, you will be the first to know. It does have 2 shower rooms, king size bed, some gorgeous lighting all the way through the holiday home, another shower room, and it's available to be sited on any of our holiday parks. So do what you do best, guys, and give me your opinions, please. If anyone would like to view, let me know and we can arrange that. Thank you.